Good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful Sunday morning here in Angeles City. Beautiful, nice breeze. Yeah, the sun's out, but beautiful, beautiful day. You know, guys, I said in the last video that if you watch it to the end, you would know. Plan on taking a break. Plan on taking a break from YouTube. It'll only be for a while. Till the beginning of the year 2024, I'll start doing videos again. I just passed 2,000 uploads, and I've been going at it for a while, doing my best. But let me spin and I'll talk and walk at the same time. I don't know. I'm letting, and it's my fault, I'm letting things get to me, negativity get to me, and it's affecting my life. You know, instead of looking at the glass half full, I'm looking at it as half empty, and I'm not stooping down to people's levels no more. But I need to take a break, and you guys that have been following, my true subscribers, my loyal subscribers, I know you'll understand. But I'm going to be taking a break till the end of the year, guys, and then I'll be back. I will upload some shorts. I know shorts aren't for everyone, and I understand that, but short just keeps me in the game. It keeps the algorithm moving while I'm taking a break. But anyways, we are going to finish up the year with me in Philly in the Philippines at a place that I know you guys are interested in, have been interested in. Nah, I'm good, my man.
Today.
He's good. Not today. Not today.
Maybe tomorrow, next week.
Yeah. Yeah, I see. San Miguel, Red Horse.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not a big drinker. I'm not a big drinker.
Just
A little bit. Yeah, yeah. But thank you anyways, Kuya.
maybe something else.
Hey, yeah. All right, my man. Yeah, it's time to readjust myself. But like I said, we are going to do something. It's been a while since I kind of walked back this way. Look at that big open lot here. I wonder if that's parking for Pacific Breeze. Let me see. Doesn't say specifically for Pacific Breeze. But yeah, guys, we are going to do something we weren't able to do here after COVID. They just lifted the restrictions in here when it comes to filming. We are going to be down here at Scorebirds for the Scorebirds Bikini Show, swimsuit competition show. It costs you 500 pesos to get in. You can get that back in consumables as far as meals. They have a nice little buffet, drinks. For 500 pesos, get you some beads so you can participate in the bikini contest. But let me show you. It's empty right now. What's up, my man?
Hello, good afternoon.
All right, afternoon. What time does the show start?
2 o'clock, sir.
2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. And I can show around in here, correct? It's okay?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Thank you.
Shout out.
Shout out. Shout out. You guys know my man Chad, right?
Yeah, Chad.
Jobs, yeah, that's my man. Yeah.
Philly, the Philippines.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But right now it's empty, as you can see. This will be all full. All right. All these tables here, they have tables upstairs. Here's where we're going to be sitting. Chad got this whole table here. There's going to be a bunch of us. And of course, right up on the stage is where the activity is going to take place. This is a really nice place to stay. We've stayed here before. Really nice, reasonably priced. Over here, they'll have the buffet. And here, right now, it's not running, but they will have it up. They will have it running. And like I said, every third Sunday of the month. Those guys that have been here before, it was every Saturday, but now it's every third Sunday of every month. Starts at, what time, my man? 2 p.m. 2 p.m. is when it starts. So just remember that. Sunday, it's moved to Sunday. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna enjoy this day. And like I said, I am on a break. I will be uploading a few shorts till the end of the year. But as far as long-term content, you're looking at the last one for the year 2023. And once again, I thank all my amazing subscribers for watching the channel, staying with me, supporting my channel. Good times, bad times, trips, local, everything, you guys know. But anyways, I guess enjoy the Scorebirds Bikini Swimsuit Competition. Actually, it'll be the last one of the year. Yeah, because next year's January already, 2024. So guys, enjoy.
You came from, only what you gon' do tonight. This is what we came for. Let's find out what we're made of tonight. The way you rock the dance floor, I can feel your heartbeat on mine. I don't know what I'm in for, but baby, keep it going. I don't mind. We dance like nobody's watching. Dance like nobody's watching. In the screen. My hands on your body, surroundings getting foggy tonight, but we just getting started. So physical and flawless unite, and we just wanna stay here. It's obvious, it's so clear now. I know what I'm in for, so baby, keep it going. I don't mind. We dance like nobody's watching. Dance like nobody's watching.
All right, guys, that's a wrap from the swimsuit competition. I leave early. It just, to me, it just kind of drags on. You know, how many times can the contestants come out? But it's still a good time. You know, they got the girls that dance. They got bands that play in between when the girls come on. The buffet looked really good. But yeah, it's a good time. For 500 pesos, it's a good afternoon, right? So if you come here to Angeles City, like I said, every Sunday, the third Sunday of every month is the show. It's a good time. It's fun. You get some food. If you want to drink, you can drink. Like I said, you get some beads when you come in. I think they had the most expensive bead you can buy for the girls is 5,000 pesos. It's a big gold bead. And of course, I'm leaving. So whoever the winner is, right? So anyways, guys, like I said, I will see you guys next year, 2024. I will be uploading a lot of shorts from the bikini contest, swimsuit contest here, so stay tuned for that. And I will be probably putting shorts up off and on till the end of the year. So all right, guys, we'll see you in 2024.